Hey guys, welcome back. Now, in the previous video, we created this app up to this point where we can be able to access the home page when the user logs in. The user can be able to log out here, and they can be able to log in again. Pretty simple, straightforward. And if they don't have an account, they can be able to create an account, which is a code you haven't created yet. So we want when the user can click create account, they're taken to the register activity that we created earlier. So that's very simple, and we're going to do that right now. And we want to listen to the create account activity, and that is in the login activity. So this is where it's in the login activity. This is where the create account is. So we'll go to the login activity, and we call it here create button, and we defined it here as well. So we're going to listen to the click of this button, and we can just do it directly above right here. We can say listen to create account button click. So we're going to say create account button click dot set on click listener, and then we're going to say on click listener, and we're going to get that override. And then we're going to say when it's clicked, we want to take user to register. So we're going to say intent take user to register equals to new intent and the intent is we're coming from this login activity dot this, and we're heading to register activity dot class. And here we'll say start activity and then take user to register. And that's pretty much what we need to do, and we should be able to so let's try this, create an account, and we're taken to register. So that's pretty cool. Now let's now kind of lay out our app, how we want our app to work. So we want our app to work in an order where when a user is not logged in and opens the app, they'll be taken to the login screen. And if they don't have an account, they can create an account. So let's log in here. So we have logged in. So let's try to open the app again after a while. We're taken back straight to the home page. We're not taken to the login page because the app now remembers that we're logged in. So we want to implement this feature. And it's really simple. We'll now say, we'll now head to the manifest first of all to arrange the launcher activity to be the home page, because we want our users to, anytime they open the app, to be able to access the home page. And if they don't have access to it, they will take it to the login. I believe that's some clear explanation. And then now we'll change this to login activity, and I'll call this, get rid of this. And this is now the home page. And the login activity is login. I just write a label there. Won't worry about strings right now. But that's something that people need to really implement in their apps. So right now we have it set up as the home page, the launcher, and you're all set. So if I click run, which I believe I can from the manifest XML. I don't know if it works in, yeah, it should. So, and now I'm able to access the home page. So let's check if I'm logged in. What is the current user? Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong place. Current user. So parse user So it could be, so if you want to check if the current user is logged in, you can use this Parse. If the current user is not null, then do stuff with the user. If it's null, show sign up or login screen. So this is what the code that we're looking for. And we'll just paste it here. Parse current user. If current user is not allowed, so do stuff with the user. This is where we'll be doing stuff with the user. Else, if the user is not logged in, we'll take the user to the login screen via an intent. Take user to login. Equals to new intent. And I'm going to call this homepage activity that, I can just say this. And we are going to login activity.class. And then start activity and then take the user to login. So that should do it. So let's see if so we're currently logged in. So we are logged in right now. So this should stay here. So let's try to log out and try to launch the app again. Because remember in the manifest we say the homepage activity is where it should launch. So it should definitely take us to the homepage anytime we launch it. But since you're not logged in like we're checking here, let's see. I don't know if you saw that, but let me just relaunch it. But we're taken straight to the homepage. So it's kind of taking us to the home. I mean, it's a login screen. So it's kind of taking us to the homepage first, and then it's checking, oh, we're not logged in, and then it takes us back to the login screen. So let me log in, and then we check. So say Ronnie, and then Ronnie, and I'll log in. And then I'm logged in, and then when I close the app, and then open the app again, not this app, live update. And take it to the homepage straight. And if I log out and open it again, take it to the login screen. So take it to the homepage and straight to the login because they're not logged in, because it's checking. So now that is how we do it. So in here is where we're going to be doing stuff as far as, so if the current user is logged in, now we're going to show user the homepage. And yeah, show the user the homepage. So once they're able to access the homepage, of course, they're able to update status, they're able to log out again because they're current users. So in the next video, we'll be now looking about how to create our homepage into like to have a list view. We'll be talking about list views and how we're going and custom adapters and cool stuff. So see you in the next video.